got a text from my wife. She's asking me to meal plan. And she says I have to build a grocery list. Wait a second. This shouldn't be a problem. I've got my Cozyla digital calendar to help me. This will be so easy. Which, by the way, I did receive in exchange for my review. But regardless, come on, I'll show you how it works. So we're going to use this Cozyla digital calendar to help us meal prep and plan a grocery list for the family. It's going to be so easy. Let me show you how it works. But first, we don't have enough information on the screen. I think we need to add a few more widgets just to make this easier for us. So first, I'm going to add a month-long calendar view, just so I can plan ahead and see what's going on in the next couple of days to weeks. To do that, you simply press your finger anywhere on the wallpaper and hold. You'll see this black box that appears. Scroll down until you see calendar. You'll see that it says 2 widgets. We're already using one of those widgets. It's the daytime widget. I want to add now the month-long. I'm going to press and hold and drag it to my desired location on the screen. This looks pretty good, but you know what? I want to make it even with my other widget. I just like the look of that better. So I'm going to click and drag down, repositioning it, and at the bottom you'll see this dot right here. I'm going to click and press that and drag. It's going to extend the length of this, just like this. There, that's looking pretty good now. But I don't think we're quite there yet. In this space over here, I think we need to add a grocery list. Fortunately, my wife and I have already started one in our notes. So let's add the notes widget to that section right there. Again, I'm going to press and hold. The black box appears. This time I'm going to scroll down until I see keep notes. There's 3 widgets from which to choose, but I like this one right here. I'm going to click, press, hold, and drag. And there it is, there's our list. But similar to the calendar, I want to make this just a little bit bigger. So this time I'm going to click and drag from the side to make it wider, and click and drag from the bottom to make it taller, just like this. And there we have it, we're ready to get going. So I think we should probably start with tonight's meal first. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling some chicken and rice. Let's go add the meal plan to the calendar, just like this. I'll click the plus sign in the widget. It expands the calendar outward. I want to make sure I have my meal plan calendar created. I did this by simply creating another calendar under Google Calendars. I'm going to make it an all-day event so that it posts at the top. Easy to see. And let's type out chicken and rice. And there you have it. It's that simple. But you know what? I don't quite remember how to cook rice on the stovetop. I better just check into that really quick. Hey Google, can you show me how to cook white rice on the stovetop?
I found this on the web.
So easy. I love how this also acts as a smart home hub. So easy, so simple. I like this one right here. Perfect. We're going to use this recipe. Now I want to get back to my home screen. So from the bottom, I'm going to hold and drag up, and there we are. Oh, but shoot. I don't think we have either rice or chicken. I better add that to the grocery list. I'm going to click this button right here to expand, and now I can add some items. And there you have it. Now my grocery list is updated. Wow, I mean, I know she asked for several days of meal prep, but I'm already tracking ahead of schedule. So I think I'm going to take a small break right now. It's definitely time to Netflix and chill. Now, if you're thinking of getting a digital calendar in your life, don't settle for just the calendar. Get a smart home hub system as well. This Cozyla digital calendar is perfect for it. Not only can you plan, use the calendar, make grocery lists, but you can also use your other services like Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, so many other features. And it's great and it works well. And so I definitely recommend that you look into this Cozyla digital calendar.